Are you ready to transfer your USDT from Gate.io to OKX seamlessly? In this quick tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Gate.io account. Start by logging into your Gate.io account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section located at the top right of your dashboard. Step 2. Select USDT for withdrawal. In the Assets menu, find My Assets and look for USDT. Click on the Withdraw option next to it. This will take you to the withdrawal interface. Step 3. Choose the right network. Here's where it gets crucial. You need to select the correct network for your transfer. Since OKX support TRC20, choose that option. Unfortunately, Gate.io does not support PIP2, so TRC20 is your best bet. Step 4. Get your OKX deposit address. Next, switch over to your OKX account. Go to the Assets section and select Deposit next to USDT. Choose on-chain deposit and then select TRC20 again. Copy the deposit address provided. You will need this for the next step. Step 5. Paste your deposit address. Return to Gate.io and paste the copied deposit address into the designated field for withdrawal. This ensures that your funds go directly to your OKX account. Step 6. Enter withdrawal amount. Now enter how much USDT you want to transfer. Keep in mind that there's a fixed fee of 1 USDT regardless of the amount you send. For example, if you send 10 USDT, you will receive 9 USDT in your OKX account. Step 7. Confirm and complete the transfer. After entering the amount, click Next to review your transaction detail. If everything looks good, finalize the transaction. The transfer should reflect in your OKX account within a few minutes. And there you have it. You have successfully transferred USDT from Gate.io to OKX. If this tutorial helped you out, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy trading.